In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade on Exness using the MT5 web terminal. Let's go through this process together, step by step, so you can confidently enter and manage your trades with ease. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Exness personal area. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open your trading account using the web terminal. This essentially means you'll be working directly within your web browser to make trades without the need for a desktop application. It's a convenient way to keep your trades accessible wherever you might be. After you're logged in, you'll see the terminal interface. Here, you need to navigate to the instruments list, or what is sometimes referred to as the watch list. This list includes all the available trading instruments, like currency pairs, commodities, or indices that you can trade within Exness. Next, scroll through the instruments and select the one you wish to trade. When you do, a pop-up order form will appear, giving you options to either buy or sell that particular instrument. This is where you decide whether you think the value of the instrument is going to go up or down. Remember, careful analysis of market trends and data can aid in making a more informed decision. In the order form, you're going to set some crucial parameters. First, decide on the volume or lot size, the amount of the instrument you want to trade. This value is crucial since it determines the position size, impacting both potential risk and reward. Additionally, you have the option to set stop loss, SL, and take profit, TP levels. Utilizing these tools can help manage risk by automatically closing your trade at predetermined price levels, which is especially useful to avoid emotional decision-making in fast-moving markets. If you prefer to place a trade to be executed in the future, once a certain price level is reached, you'll want to select the pending order option. Here, you'll set your desired trigger price and can even select an expiry time for the order, should it not trigger as expected. After you've set your desired parameters in the order form, click the Confirm button, or whatever the equivalent button is available. This action will execute the trade based on the parameters you set. Upon confirmation, you'll find your new trade listed in the Open tab if it has been executed, or in the Orders tab if it's a pending order. You might need to adjust or close your trade in the future, and you can easily do this by navigating to your Open Positions list. Whether you need to modify take profit levels, update stop loss if market conditions change, or simply close out the trade, everything can be managed conveniently through this list. And there you have it. Placing a trade on Exness using the MT5 web terminal is straightforward with these steps. By understanding each part of the process, you'll be better equipped to manage your trades effectively. So, go ahead, try it out, and take control of your trading experience.